the fastest way for you to start making money. Let's say you find 10 companies to do consulting work for them, right? You say, hey, listen, I'll do the first bid for free, right? They'll say, okay. So you find the bids for them and you help them win the bid, but you will essentially help them submit their first bid for free. Now, let's say they lose the contract. Trust me, they'll be very happy they submitted their first bid, because most people don't even know how to submit a bid. So they will say, no, let's try again. You're gonna say, sorry, I only do one for free. For me to keep going with you guys, it's $2,000 a month. And I'll find the contracts and do exactly what we just did, for as long as you guys need me to do it, right? Now you get 10 clients paying you $2,000 a month, but that's $20,000, right? Just to help 10 people pursue contracts. And then when you win the contract, you get a commission for helping them. And the monthly is a pay as you go. So every month you have to earn the next $2,000 from them, which means that you got to show them something that you did. Hey, let's bid on this contract. Hey, let's submit this bid. Hey, I got you a meeting with this procurement officer. Hey, I got you this right here. So each month, each week, each day, you're doing simple administrative work, right? To help them move the needle forward to earn your next $2,000.